Alert. Defend your land. Nnamdi Kanu raises the alarm over alleged military plan to carry out air raids. My viewers, you see what I am saying concerning Nnamdi Kanu of always being at the forefront for the sake of the people. You see, believe you me when I say that Nnamdi Kanu deserves more than a presidential position without any form of biasness. Someone who hardly sleep, someone who is always at the watch out for the safety of his people. Someone who has accepted to stand out and make sure that nothing happens to his people. My dear viewers, Nnamdi Kanu is not paid for all these things that he is doing. He's not paid. He is doing these things because of what he has vowed that he is going to do, even if it's going to take his life. Which other sacrifice must Nnamdi Kanu do for people, for them to know that yes, Nnamdi Kanu is really out to support the masses? What else? We really need to stand out. We need to stand out. Because if we don't stand out now, if we don't speak now, these people will take advantage of us. They will take advantage of the Southeast. With what Nnamdi Kanu have just said now, it is believed that Nnamdi Kanu has seen it. Because if he hasn't seen it, he wouldn't have raised the alarm. He wouldn't have raised the alarm. Do you understand now? That is it. And sometimes people keep wondering, how does Nnamdi Kanu get these informations? And how does he get alerted over this information? That shouldn't be their worry. Do you understand? That shouldn't be their worry. The most important thing is that Nnamdi Kanu is actually out to safeguard the interest of Igbo. Do you understand? Of Igbo. So that is just it. So with this that I've been taking note of, it is expected of our Igbo people, our Igbo land, the Biafrans, to be at alert as Nnamdi Kanu has just instructed. Do you understand? And that is just the humble truth. Let me quickly take you to the content so you catch the information that I've just been taking note of. The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has alleged a plan by men of the Nigerian army to carry out attack on certain areas in Imo State. In a tweet on Wednesday, Kanu urged residents of Mbaise, Mbano, and Obowo axis of the state to be at alert, as there were reports that drones by the Nigerian army had been deployed to the area. He also alleged that the soldiers were advancing with many Hilux vans to the aforementioned areas. The separatists called on members of the Eastern Security Network to defend their land from those he called Boko people. Thank you for listening to this news. You see that? You see that? This is what we're talking about. You see? So if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu can be doing all this for the people. What else? What else? What else does the people want? What else does the people ask for? To me, to me, without any biased mind, I will tell you frankly speaking that Nnamdi Kanu has been working assiduously to the progress and peacefulness of the Southeast. He has been doing the work which the governors of the Southeast are supposed to be doing. This information that he has just passed out supposed to be the work and duties of our governors, but these people just sit down, relax, receive fat salaries, and do nothing. And do nothing. Is that right? And do nothing. And instead of them to still stand by their people, they keep going against their own people. They keep going against their own people just because they are pleading. They are pleading for presidential position. They keep supporting the Fulani leader just because they want a position from him. You see that? So all these things are what we're supposed to take note of. We're supposed to look into. But we are not. We are not. It is wrong. It is wrong. Absolutely wrong. When you see what is right, you speak it out. This is for the good of the Southeast. I'm happy that the Southeast on their own, even if the governors are not saying the good thing Nnamdi Kanu is doing, the Southeasterners, the youth, some prominent Igbo leaders are seeing everything, and they are extending a hand of appreciation. It's quite unfortunate that despite all this that IPOP has been doing, they still go after the IPOP and still kill their members, which is absolutely wrong and is not welcomed in any way. Despite all of this, IPOP have chosen to summon courage, accept and swallow hink and sinker, and still maintain that peaceful approach that they have been carrying out. You understand? Just for them to make sure that that very Biafran freedom that they are pursuing, that they will actualize it with that same peaceful approach. So what do you think based on what that has just been taken note of? So if you're new on this channel, don't forget to leave a comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as bell button to receive more updates. Thank you.